Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your mobile plan includes mobile data and has available data allowance. Next, check signal strength and preferred network type like 4G or 5G before switching. Also, make sure data roaming is enabled if you will travel outside your network area. Turn off battery saver because it can restrict background mobile data. Review APN settings to ensure your carrier's APN is active and configured correctly. Finally, note any data caps or limits to avoid unexpected charges on your bill. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network to enable mobile data. Use Quick Settings to toggle Wi-Fi off so the phone uses mobile data instead. Confirm preferred network type is set to 4G or 5G depending on your plan. If you see no internet, check APN details and update them to your carrier's values. Restart the device after saving APN changes to apply settings. Finally, run a browser or app to confirm web pages and content load on mobile data. Open Settings, then Cellular and toggle cellular data on to enable mobile internet. Next, open Control Center and turn off Wi-Fi to force the phone to use the cellular network. Confirm voice and data settings are set to LTE or 5G for the best performance. If pages still do not load, check carrier APN instructions and update settings accordingly. As a last step, use Reset Network Settings to clear misconfigurations, then reconnect and test browsing or streaming on cellular data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.